Hi, Damien from LeakDtech here again. Wanted to talk to our commercial customers about roof slab leakage. When it rains, you normally have an enormous amount of damage in this region, and one of the ways that we would advocate our customers help themselves is by identifying when it rains, the source of the leak, and recording that for inspection. This is normally through expansion joints or cracks in the slab. The roof slab itself, in some cases, can have cause a leak when it's not raining due to a CDP line or a freshwater line leaking, and then the water will find a way down through the roof slab into the lower property. So if you want to identify the leaks yourself, we would suggest that you try switching off any sorts of lines that are above on the roof slab, whether it's a CDP or whether it is a freshwater line. If that doesn't work and you only get the damage when it's raining, we would really encourage you to do some testing, pour water in the roof slab, try and find where the water leak is occurring, and then if you need further help, obviously you can call us in to try and help. Using hot water as a source for you guys to find the leak is an excellent way of identifying where the leak route might be, because it's very simple, it's cheap, and obviously you can try and find the source of the leaks yourself. If you need further help, we can test. We have customized equipment that will allow us to test for cracks, find the source of leaks coming down through cracks, and track it back across the roof and find the leak sources, and get to the bottom of the problem. So we're available to help you, but we encourage self-help. If there's anything you can do yourselves, we encourage that. But again, LeakDtech is here to help you with our expertise, our customized equipment, and our testing methodology to help get to the bottom of the leak as quickly as possible. Give us a call if you need more information, or go to leakdtech.com, and we'll be available night and day. Take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.